Hi, welcome to my first video. Today we're making elderberry syrup. So, using 1 cup of dried elderberries. I ordered mine from Red Moon Herbs. You can also check in with Box Turtle CSA on Facebook around August and see if there's any available there. So for 1 cup of elderberries, we're going to add it to 5 cups of water. You can also optionally add 4 tablespoons of ginger, fresh or dried, which is the equivalent of 1/4 cup. I love ginger. You can add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I'm using dried ground cinnamon. And you can also optionally add 1 teaspoon of cloves. I don't have that, so it's not going in. Also keep in mind you want to use the best quality ingredients you can find because this is medicine after all. So you want these ingredients to come to a boil, and voila, we're boiling. I'm going to turn it down so it can simmer with the lid cracked. And we'll leave that to simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour, or until the liquid is reduced to about half. Okay, so our water level has reduced to about half, and I turned off the heat, let it cool, and then mash the berries with a spoon. And once that's done, we're going to strain it into a glass jar. That's all strained, and if you remember, we started with 5 cups of water, and it looks like we're down to about almost 2.5 cups. Pretty darn good, boiling it down to half. So for simplicity, I'm just going to pour this back into a clean pan. And now once the decoction is lukewarm, you can add 1 cup to 1 1/3 cup of raw local honey. This is from Creek Road Farm. And you don't want to add this while it's boiling because not only does it damage enzymes and immunity properties in the honey, but it can also become toxic. So yeah, wait till that's cooled down a little bit before you add the honey. And remember, local is best not only for economic and environmental reasons, but it's also produced by bees collecting pollen from local plants in your environment. So those of you with allergies would really benefit from local honey. I don't recommend putting any less than a cup of honey because not only is it an immune booster, but it also helps preserve our elderberry syrup. And I've had a jar ferment on me sooner than expected. So use the recommended amount. This should last in your fridge for about 6 months. And also learned today that a 1/2 pint jar of honey is a little bit less than a cup, so maybe go for the pint size. Alright, so I've returned our syrup back to the jar. It looks like 1 cup of elderberries yields 1/4 of elderberry syrup. Not bad. This can be enjoyed in oatmeal, in smoothies, on pancakes, in tea, or by the spoonful.